Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting showdown between two indoor security cameras that will keep your home safe and sound. On the left, we have Galayou indoor security camera, and on the right, we have LaView 4 megapixels bulb security camera 2K. Let's dive right into the comparisons and find out which one will come out on top. Let's start with everyone's favorite category, price. The Galayou camera comes in at a wallet-friendly $67, while the LaView camera is just slightly more expensive at $69. It's a close call, but hey, every penny counts. When it comes to resolution, both cameras offer impressive clarity. The Galayou camera boasts a 2K Super HD live stream, providing you with crystal clear details. On the other hand, the LaView camera takes it up a notch with a 4 megapixels HD resolution. It's like watching your home in high definition. Now, let's talk about coverage. The Galayou camera offers a 360-degree view, allowing you to see every nook and cranny of your home. With the LaView camera, you also get a panoramic 360-degree viewing angle, ensuring there are no blind spots. It's like having eyes all around your house. The darkness of night. Both cameras have got you covered. The Galayou camera features enhanced night vision with 4 infrared lights, providing a crystal clear image up to 32 feet away. Meanwhile, the LaView camera goes above and beyond with its advanced starlight night vision, giving you full-color video even in low-light conditions. Who says you can't see in the dark? Safety first. Both cameras come equipped with motion detection and alerts. The Galayou camera has an intelligent motion sensor and a siren alarm to scare off intruders. It also sends instant alert notifications to your phone. The LaView camera takes it a step further with motion detection and tracking alerts, customizable sensitivity, and even a 110 decibels alarm siren. Good luck to any intruder who dares to enter your domain. Let's talk about connectivity and compatibility. The Galayou camera works with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and supports multi-device viewing and sharing. You can even add multiple surveillance cameras to the app. On the other hand, the LaView camera offers easy wireless installation using Wi-Fi connectivity and is compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant voice controls. Just imagine controlling your camera with a simple voice command. Fancy. Now, let's discuss storage options. The Galayou camera gives you the choice between saving alert videos on an SD card or opting for a free 30-day trial of cloud storage. Plus, it offers 24/7 continuous recording on the SD card. The LaView camera also supports remote viewing and control from your smartphone via the LaView app. It's like having your home security at your fingertips. Last but not least, let's talk about weatherproofing. The LaView camera wins this round with its impressive IP67 weatherproof rating. Rain or shine, it's ready to protect your home indoors or outdoors. The Galayou camera, while not weatherproof, is perfect for indoor use to keep an eye on your loved ones. The Galayou indoor security camera and the LaView 4 megapixels bulb security camera 2K have received positive reviews from customers. Reviewers appreciate the Galayou camera for its night vision, motion detection, and clear picture quality. On the other hand, the LaView camera is praised for its performance, features, and value for money. Both cameras have satisfied customers, and it ultimately depends on individual preferences. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the Galayou indoor security camera and the LaView 4 megapixels bulb security camera 2K. Both cameras have their unique features, but it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best. Make sure to check the links in the description below for more information on these products. Remember, at Buy Smart, we're here to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Until next time, stay smart and stay safe.